Hi everybody, this is Sarah at Scrapbook.com, and we are looking at a fun new series from Foundations Decor. And this is the Tiered Tray series, and as you can see, we have these beautiful trays that you can purchase to decorate. So we're going to talk all about how to do that. So first we want to talk about these trays, right? They're really beautiful, they're tiered. We have the two different tiers. This one is an antique finish, and you can get it in this rectangle shape. But it also comes in this antique finish in the round shape, so you can pick which one you would like. Here we have the distressed white finish. Same thing, you can get it in the round or you can get it in the rectangle. So you can pick which one you like, which one goes with your home decor. This is perfect to set in your craft room, to set on your kitchen or dining room table. Really, really nice. So along with these trays, there are kits that you can purchase to decorate the trays. So I'm going to go into what some of those look like. So here we have one of the tray kit series, and this is birthday. So let's open it up and take a look. So the fun thing about these different kits is that you can decorate your trays with them, but if you don't want to get the trays, you can also go ahead and decorate your space with them, your shelves, stuff like that. So this is the happy birthday one, and you can find this at Scrapbook.com. And in here you see a lot of different cute elements, and you'll also notice that they're blank. Here you have these adorable little elements. Here's a birthday cake. Now this is great because you can decorate these items with paper, with paint. They come blank, so you can customize them for your space. And after you customize them, you can place them on these adorable tiered shelves or anywhere in your space, and you can reuse them for years and years to come. This cute, there we go, happy birthday sign is kind of already finished, but you could add rhinestones. You could really make this your own. You could add really cute little pictures you printed out of the birthday person, whoever's birthday it is. And then we have this cute balloon one. Look, and then there's these little strings for the balloons here. Same thing, you can decorate them. So this is the birthday kit, and think how special that is. If your child or your partner or even a friend has a birthday one month, you can make the centerpiece in the kitchen or your craft space or your living room all about them celebrating them. Now, like I mentioned, there are other kits too available. There's this really adorable farmhouse kit. There's also seasonal kits for the holidays. Look at this beautiful winter set. How fun is that? And same thing, you can decorate them. Now, if you're not exactly sure how to decorate these different kits, you can check out our YouTube channel where we have instructional videos, how-tos, lots of stuff for you to really get a feel for how to actually work with these wood pieces in your space at home. So these are definitely worth checking out at Scrapbook.com to really personalize your space, mix and match different items, different tiered shelves, even your own shelving, and you can find them all there. So make sure to check them out at Scrapbook.com.